All right. We are going to discuss about field service in Salesforce Lightning. So, let's get down to it. What are the features of field service? So, for my own personal experience in our nonprofit organization, one of our vendors, which is a provider of huge printing machines, so we have several printers at the office where I work for. And whenever I need a service for these huge printers, we print tens of thousands of letters and then fold them accordingly and then ship them to Canada Post. And sometimes, periodically, something breaks or it needs regular maintenance. What I do is I create a service request, which is using Community Cloud on this big brand name in Canada. When I create a service request, I get notified that the technician will be dispatched on a particular time frame which I choose. So this is talking about scheduling. So scheduling, this is first-hand experience. I actually experienced this through one of our vendors, the printing service company. Once I have the schedule and then the work orders, the technician will have the work orders, right? And they are all over the area. So whoever is assigned to work on our case will be notified that the work order has just been created by my organization. And then eventually they come, and when they come and they actually park in our parking area, I get an email notification from the provider, which is using Community Cloud or Service Cloud, that your technician has just arrived. And sure enough, when I look at the security cameras, oh, there he is. He just arrived, so I can just open the door for him to walk in, and he's gonna start working on the printer, the big printer, and he just pops up his mobile phone, check on his phone, which is Salesforce. I can see it, and he sees all the service history of this particular machine, the printer machine, and what parts have been replaced recently, all the history of this particular machine. When was the last time he cleaned it up and things like that. So he knows what's going on real quickly by just looking at his Salesforce One mobile app and see all the equipment history. And then he works on our machine, and if he needs to order some parts, he knows what parts to order, the type of the part from that Salesforce app he is using. He can order them, and then he's telling me, oh, I have to order this part and it's going to come in the next 2 weeks, right? And then when he comes back the next 2 weeks, it's the same thing. I get notified through email, and he's on the parking lot, and everything is the same thing again. So when he's done with the job, I get a after service survey asking my feedback if I was satisfied with the service provided by the technician. So it's all one huge awesome process by the field service on the Lightning platform. So that's basically how it works, and I like it. We don't use it in our organization because we are not a service company. We are a non-profit organization. But this is basically what happens when companies maybe like wireless, not wireless. I mean internet service provider, whatever. Internet service provider. If they have to come like to the premises. They have thousands of technicians or support technicians that need to install modem, fiber optics, things like that. They make an appointment, and then the same thing happens. So that's basically what a field service is on Salesforce. You can also watch this video, which is very helpful to understand what is available on the field service. So if it comes up in the exam, the admin certification exam, you know what can be done, okay, by seeing the whole process from start to finish. I hope my example helps you out. And let's do the quiz together. Number 1, mobile workers are key touch points for service. Why? Mobile workers meaning the technicians that come and goes to our premises to service whatever that needs to be serviced, right? Why? Because they work face to face with customers, right? That's the logical answer. How does field service make a difference in the way your mobile workforce works together? Because they work on the same platform. Particularly field service. Why does field service from Salesforce make a difference? Because it's on the same platform. It makes things way quicker and efficient. If they have multiple platforms on their organization, it's just too cumbersome, too complicated, so many time wasted, right? And this is one seamless process. Everybody on the field service platform. Name a top priority for field service managers. What does the field service managers wants to accomplish? The first one, increasing first time fix rates. What does that mean? That means the first time the technician comes, he is able to fix the issue. He doesn't have to go back and forth with another technician or, request help for another department, because everything is in one platform. Everything that the technician needs to know to fix the issue is right on their hand, on their phone, their Salesforce One app. If they need to find a knowledge base on how to hook up the fiber optic modem, or if they need to figure out how to clean up this huge machine printer that is jamming and he forgot or he's new, he can look it up. The step-by-step guide on how to fix what needs to be fixed. It's all the goal for the field service managers. First time fix rates. All right. I'll see you on the next video. Bada bing, bada boom. Oops, click this first. Boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.